Hey guys, this is Miss Mo, and we are on 10.2, 10.3. This is my favorite sections. They're pretty lame, but they're just about pictures, drawing pictures according to the numbers you have, and it's my favorite part of the whole class. Okay, so this first example says make a pictograph to represent the categorical data in the table to the right. Use, it looks like a little bucket to represent 10, it's a glass. Represent this little glass to represent 10 glasses of lemonade sold. Okay, so pictograph means instead of this tally or frequency, we're going to have a little pictures next to it. So it says one glass is for 10, represents 10. So if we look at this first day, Monday, we sold 30 glasses, it looks like, 30 tick marks. That means the frequency is 30. And if I want to draw the pictures for that, how many glasses would I need? Or how many little buckets would I need to represent 10 glasses each? I'd need 3. Yeah, so, there we go. Yeah. Pretend those are glasses. Okay, the next sucker has a 30 again, so I'd need 3. Yeah, pretend these are glasses. Okay, the next sucker says 5, so I only need like I only need half of a glass, so only use half right there. Don't pick the one that's half. You get what I'm saying? It's cut down the half. Okay, the next sucker is 15, so that's definitely one bucket for 10, and then maybe half. So this is like 1 1/2. And the actual pictograph is just the pictures. Okay, and then Friday, that's 25. So let's see, that should be 2 glasses for 20 total. And then another half. Yep, that's your pictograph. You just use the pictures they tell you to. Okay, let's go to the next one. It says 6th grade students reported the number of apps that they downloaded to their smartphones. Construct a dot plot. Okay, so to start off a dot plot, we start with a long line from side to side. Okay, and then we're going to put these numbers on it. Let's see what the lowest number is. It looks like the lowest number is a 0. Where's the highest number? Maybe 25? Okay, so we definitely have to go from 0 to 25. And I don't know about you, but I'm kind of lazy. I don't feel like drawing 25 tick marks, so maybe we could kind of count by 5s. Yeah, okay. And then from 0 to 5, there should be 4 tick marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first I drew a side-to-side line, and I put the lowest number on it, 0. Then I put the highest number, 25. Can y'all see this weird video playing at the bottom? If you do, I'm sorry. I don't know how to make it disappear. Anyway, so your lowest and your highest number, and then I was kind of lazy. I didn't want to draw all those tick marks. I ended up drawing them anyway, but I split it up into 5, 10, 15, 20, and then I just counted out the ticks. Alright, now we're going to just put dots on this, and if there's multiple dots, we're going to stack them up. Kind of like these pictures, only the pictures go side to side. So let's see here. Let's put a dot at 11. Not on the line, it hovers above it. Then at 1, not on the line, it hovers above it. Then 0, not on the line, it hovers above it. Then 8, 9, 8, not on the line, it hovers above it. Then another 0 means another dot stacked on top of that other 0. It's okay, we're going to have a lot of those. And then let's keep going. Second column, 6, 0, 1, 6, 0. Okay, good. Keep going. Third column. 8. Ooh, 10. 14. 12. 10. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so we're putting the dot above the line, kind of hovering. Okay. Let's see. Next column. 2, 12. 2, 12, 18, 16, 17, 18, 12, 14. Okay, keep going. 0, 9, 25, 11, 0. Okay. Yeah, so this is how your picture should kind of look. The best way to check it is like to look at your number 0, and there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros. We should have 6 dots on top of that 0. Okay, yeah, that's a dot plot. Super easy. You just put dots on top of the numbers, and they stack up instead of stacking side to side like the pictures of this first example. Okay, the next sucker. It says the following stem and leaf plot give the weights in pounds of all 15 students in the Algebra 1 class at East Junior High. Part A, write the weights of the 15 students. Okay, so the way this stem and leaf plot works is the number on the left is the number in the 10 spot. The number on the right is the number on the 1 spot. So 10 with a little bar of a 3 means 10 and then 3. So you have to write the whole thing. Okay, so in this first row, this 7, 4, 9 means 7 in the 10 spot, 4 in the 1 spot. Then another number of 7 in the 10 spot, 9 in the 1 spot. You get what I'm saying? So that comes from that first row. The second row is the same thing. 8, and then you put each one of these numbers on the back end. So 81, there's 2 of those. And then 82, 84, 88. Yeah. Okay. Then the next sucker, 9. Remember, this means you write 9, then the number on the other side. So 9, then the other number on the other side. So 92. Then 9, and the number on the other side, 6. Then another 96. Then another 98. Then keep going. We have 10-2, or 102. 10-5, or 105. Look at this 11. There's nothing here next to it. So that means there's no 110s, 111s, 112s. There's nothing that has an 11 in the front. Then we jump to 12. 12 with a 3. Then 12 with a 5. Okay. So these are the weights of the 15 Algebra 1 students. It says, Part B, what is the weight of the lightest? Okay, lightest means you weigh the least. So what's the number that's the smallest? 74. Woohoo! Part C says, what's the weight of the heaviest? Okay, heavy would be the biggest, so 125. Okay, lastly, histogram. Histogram means like a bar graph, you know? Yeah, that's all it means, a bar graph. Nothing crazy. So for part D, okay, we start a histogram with kind of like the top right of the XY quadrant. Okay, and our first, and along the bottom is what's going to be the 70, 80, 90, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, okay. So my first bar is going to be for the 70s. My second is going to be for the 80s. Then the 90s. Then the 10s. Then the 11s. Then the 12s. Okay? Then the right side of this T-chart is how high we're going to go. Okay, well, what's the highest number out of all these numbers on the right? The highest number is a 9. So we're going to go 9 high. Okay, so again, where did I get the numbers from the bottom? From the numbers of the left. So these numbers on the bottom, these numbers on the left of the T-chart go on the bottom. Where did I get these numbers on the right? Or where do these numbers on the right go? They go on the up and down. Okay, so now we're going to make a histogram or a bar graph. So for the 70s,